The Birdcage Theatre opened on December 24, 1881. For 8 years, from 1881 to 1889, the Birdcage Theatre operated continuously, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Legend has it that over 140 bullet holes remain in the building, and that 26 people were killed. This painting of Fatima, from 1882, has 6 bullet holes alone. Up these stairs are the rooms the ladies would entertain in. They were called the bird cages. Famous gunfighters, like Johnny Ringo, Bat Masterson, Wyatt Earp, Doc Holliday, Luke Short, Curly Bill and many more were all customers at the Birdcage. This piano has been in the same location since 1881. These 3 bullet holes were made by a drunk cowboy who shot at an actor. The shots missed and lodged in the stage. Doc Holliday and Wyatt Earp both dealt faro at this table. One night when Doc was dealing, he got into it with Johnny Ringo, both standing and facing each other, ready to draw. They were grabbed right as they fired, missing each other. This is the hole in the floor from Doc's gun. Going backstage, you can see messages left from the people and entertainers over the years. Also backstage is the hearse that carried all but 5 people to Boot Hill. It is trimmed in 24-karat gold and sterling silver. Heading downstairs, you will see the actual room that Josie and Wyatt would use. Most of the items are original to that time. Looking in storage, some of these items have been sitting here for over 100 years. Also downstairs is the poker table, where the longest continuous poker game was played, 24 hours a day, for 8 years, 9 months and 3 days. Minimum buy-in was $1,000. Please help us out by hitting like and subscribe. Also, if you hit the bell, you will be notified of our new videos. Keep an eye out for our book on the Birdcage Theatre.